Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup. So if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, we are reviewing the Girl on the Moon palette from Gloss Gods. So if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. Hi guys, I am aware that I look like a ghost, but I didn't bronze yet and everything, but I want to keep the powder on to do a look with the Girl on the Moon from Gloss Gods. It looks like this. It's really beautiful and it has some very special shades. Let's start swatching the shades and we are gonna talk about other stuff afterwards. This is the first shade, Blue Moon. Then we have the green, which is called Moon Quake, and is this green. And then we have Luna, which is very beautiful. It's a pink to gold. Then we have Celestial, which is a purple and it's harder pressed than the others. If you can see, I don't know if you can see, this one, and this one are a bit harder pressed, so are a bit down in the pen, but this is the purple. It looks, you are seeing it blue, but it's I see it purple. Next we have Moon Landing, which is this very beautiful shade. You are seeing it on the green side with some purple. The next shade is Jessica Meyer. Hope I'm pronouncing that decent. And this one is very flaky. This one is a gold. And it looks like this, very flaky shade. Then next we have Full Moon, which is another very hard pressed shade. You are seeing it dark blue, I'm seeing it very dark purple. Then we have Nebula, which is so beautiful. It's another purple bluish shade. Again, you are seeing it more periwinkle and I'm seeing it more blue. And then we have Catherine J, and we have this one. And for the last three shades, this one is Eclipse, the last harder pressed shade. You are seeing it copper, I'm seeing it lime green. Next we have New Moon, and you are seeing it like a light green, and yeah, it's a light green with that brownie nude flip. And the last shade is called Gravity, and it's another bluish purpley with some green shades in it. So these are the swatches. They are really beautiful in my opinion and I am very excited to test them out. They are different formulas. Some of them are really punchy and some of them are metallic and some of them are taupe shades, but I am very excited to play with them. Okay, so I zoom you in a bit and I'm applying the Natasha Denona eyeshadow primer right now because I know how it works and I do like the eyeshadow primer. So we are giving the eyeshadows a fair chance. So I'm gonna start by using some mattes from the Huda Beauty Mercury. I think we are gonna use this one and this one, and then I'm gonna build those two, and then we are gonna see what shades I'm gonna use from the palette. But I want to start with a matte base because all of the shades in the palette are shimmery, but I'm gonna try to see if I can use one of the harder pressed shadows to the pop of color. Maybe I could use those as mattes and blend them into the crease. I'm gonna see, but I really like the colors in the palette. I'm very excited to use them. Let's talk about the shipping and my experience. So Gloss Gods is an indie brand. They are located in Sweden and I don't know how small they are. They did 2 collaborations from what I know with some Swedish influencers. So I did like the site and the experience for ordering online. It was really great, really simple, no problems there. But the only thing that I think they were missing on the site is that they ship with the postal service. And I was not very happy with that because the postal service in Romania is not too great. So I'm trying to avoid the postal service if possible. I didn't know that this will be shipped with the postal service, but I did got lucky and everything was very easy. I just went to the postal service today and just got my palette and everything was okay. But I want you to know that they are shipping with the postal service and the package was very well wrapped and everything, so that's about that. The mattes are down. I want to use as many shades as possible. I know that this one will be our inner corner highlight, and then I think I'm gonna use these bluish purpley shades and see if I could just pick it up with a blending brush and use it on the outer edge in here. Let's see that. A thing that I don't like about this palette is the smell. It smells very chemically and weird, and I hope these shadows will not irritate my eyes. That will be a big problem, of course. So I'm picking just a bit of this shade. It's called Celestial, and it looks like it's picking up, and I'm gonna put this on the outer edge in here. Okay, this could be decent. Yeah, okay, that could be a blending shade. Of course it has shimmer in it, but I think we're gonna use the other shade on the lower lash then. Okay, it doesn't look very pigmented or something like that, but it's okay. And I'm taking just a clean brush and just blending a bit the edges. Okay, what I want to do now is apply a bit of glitter primer and then use this one on the outer edge. It's called Nebula, and this one in the inner part of the lid, it's called Gravity. And we are gonna see how that Nebula shade looks on top of this shimmery thing. I'm gonna use my finger and put this in here. Ooh, this is very beautiful. I do have some fallout, but it's fine. And this is the other shade, Gravity. They look pretty similar on the eyes. I want just to add a bit more of this brownish shade and maybe a bit of the Vortex just on the outer edge in here. I want now to put just a tiny bit of Moon Landing just on top. This is a more topper shade. I will put this on top. Oh, that's so beautiful. It gives some green specks. Okay, let's move into the lower lash line. I'm gonna take this shade, it's called Full Moon, and I'm gonna put this on the outer edge in here, and then into Eclipse, into here. And let's see, I'm gonna wet the brush for these ones to not have a lot of fallout. Okay, that works really great. Okay, and for the last shade, I'm gonna take this shade Luna, and I will spray it as well and apply it in the inner part, on the inner corner, sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna go and finish the rest of the makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, so everything is done. Let me show you the eye look closer. I really like the shades. I think the inner corner is the most special one. It's a pink to green flip and it's more of a topper. So I think that could look nice on top of a lot of shades. Yeah, so overall I think the palette is cute. I like the shades. I think the quality, it's at least decent. They are quite flaky, some of the shades, and I don't know about these hard pressed shades. I think I could just put them on the lid, all over the lid, and then put other shades on top, because some shades are more of a topper formula, so maybe that could work. Of course, I'm gonna try this palette a lot more and let you know my opinion, and I will let as well in the description box an update if this irritates my eyes, because like I said, this smells really weird in my opinion, and yeah, so if this irritates my eye, the review of course will change drastically. So I hope that will not happen, but I will let you know in the description box. I'm gonna go and edit this video and wear this makeup for the rest of the day. Okay, so this was everything. I hope you liked the look and the swatches, and I hope this video was helpful. If you liked the look and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.